Good morning children. Today third class mathematics. Today we have to discuss about properties of multiplication. Okay. So first of all heading properties of multiplication. Properties is nothing but rules. Already we discussed in the additions and subtractions what are the properties. Today we have to discuss about the properties of multiplication. In this we are having four properties. In that first one is multiplying by 1. Multiply by 1. What do you mean by multiply by 1 means if you multiply any number with 1, what we will get? Number itself. Okay. If any number multiply by 1, we will get the number itself. We will get the number itself. It is the first property. See, first example I am writing here. For example, 4 into 1 means 4 ones 4. Same like this, 53 into 1 is equal to 53. 278 into 1 is equal to 278. 3980 into 1 is equal to 3980. Means if we take any number of digits like 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit and dash dash so many. If we take any number of digits but we multiply by 1, we will get the number itself. It is the first property. And the second one, multiply by 0. Multiply by 0. Okay. If we multiply any number with 0, we will get 0 only. The answer is 0 only. If 0 is multiplied by any number, we will get 0 only. Okay children? See here the example. Here also you have to take any number of digits like 3 into 0 is equal to 0. 29 into 0 is equal to 0. And 361 into 0 is equal to 0. 4597 into 0 is equal to 450 only. Like this. Okay. Here also we have to multiply. 0 is multiplied by any number. We will get the answer is 0. It is multiplication by 0. Next, it is the second property. Go for the third property, that is order property. Third one is order property. Here, what do you mean by order property means? If we take any number and taking a comma b, two numbers, and if you multiply a into b and b into a, we will get the same answer. Okay? For example, here I am taking a as 321 and B as 3. Okay. Now here you have to multiply. Example, A into B. A means which number, children? 321. 321 into B means 3. Now you can see 3 ones 3, 3 twos 6, 3 threes 9. A into B is equal to how much you will get? 963. Same. B into A is equal to, B means 3 into 321. Here also 1 threes 3, 2 threes 6, 3 threes 9. Here also you will get B into A is equal to also 963. Therefore A into B is equal to B into A. That is 963 is equal to 963. We will get the same number. It is known as order property. If you take any numbers, 2 into 3, 2 3 6, 6 into 3, 6 2s also 6, 3 2s also 6, 2 3s also 6. Same like this, if you take any two numbers like A and B, if you multiply by A into B and in the reverse order B into A, you will get the same number. It is known as order property. Next, same like this, one more property is there, that is grouping property. Grouping property. Here, grouping property means you have to take three numbers, that is A, B, C, or three numbers A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Here we are multiplying first A into B and making as a bracket. Next is C. Here A I am keeping separate. Now I am multiplying B into C. Here you have to take the examples. Here I am taking the small numbers. A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 5. Now you can multiply this part, that is A into B into C. A and B I am keeping box. A means 3 into B means 4 into C means 5. 3 fourths. First you can multiply the bracket number. 3 fourths. Read the 3 table. 3 ones 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 9, 3 fourths 12. 12 into 5. 12 5 16. Same like this, multiply this part. A into B into C. A means 3. B means 4 into 5. 3 into 4 5s 20. First I am multiplying these two numbers here, these two numbers here. Now 3 into 2, 3 to 6. 3 into 0, 0. See, here also we will get the same number. Therefore, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. That is 60 is equal to 60. Okay? It is known as grouping property. Here we discussed 4 properties. First one, multiply by 1. These all are known as properties of multiplication. First property is multiplication by 1. What do you mean by multiplication by 1, children? If you multiply any number to 1 or 1 to any number, we will get the number itself. 4 ones 4, like this. And come for the second property, that is multiply by 0. If you multiply any number to 0, we will get the answer is 0 only. Why? Because 0 table 0 means 0 only. 3 into 0, 3, not here, 0. Okay. Next, third property is order property. Fourth one, grouping property. Order property is nothing but if you multiply, if you take A and B two numbers, if you multiply A into B or in the reverse order means B into A, then you will get the same number. It is known as order property. Grouping property. If you take A, B, C as a three numbers and you have to multiply first A into B, then C, you will get one answer. And you have to do next part, that is A into. First you can multiply B into C. Next you are getting one answer. That answer to multiply by A, you will get the same number. Means it is called as grouping property. So today your homework is learn and write properties of multiplication one time in your maths notebook. Okay, this is your homework. Learn and write properties of multiplication in maths notes. That is textbook page number 55. Okay children. If you want means copy this what I given on the board. If you want means in your textbook page number 55 also is there. See, properties of multiplication. Multiplication by 1, this one. With the examples. Multiplication by 0, these examples. Multiplication, order property and these examples. Grouping property and examples. After this complete in your maths notebook, you have to finish textbook page number 55, this bits also. Fill in the blanks. If any number multiply by 1 means, we will get same number. Don't do the multiplication. Using these properties, what answer you are getting, write down here. This is your homework today. Complete properties in your notebook and this bit in your textbook. Okay children, this is your homework. Thank you.